Hello, the question today is what initiates primary B cell activation signaling? Well, first of all, we should know that B cells travel throughout the body and reside in the secondary lymphoid organs to search and find infections that they are specific for. Pause the video and select the correct answer. Okay, so could it be A, T cell cytokines? Well, these cytokines help amplify and sustain B cell responses later, but don't initiate the activation, so they amplify and sustain B cell responses later though. Look, we're looking for what initiates primary B cell activation signaling. Could it be complement fixation? Complement fixation. Well, complement can enhance antibody responses, opsonize pathogens, but it doesn't start B cell activation. Complement receptors act as co-receptors to lower activation threshold. We'll look that in our next video, but are not the primary initiators. Now, what about memory B cell activation? Could that be the answer? Memory B cells are already activated cells that respond faster on re-exposure. They are already activated. They don't initiate primary activation signaling. The question's context is initial activation upon first antigen encounter. This leaves us with option B, B cell receptor cross-linking by antigen. Now, this is the foundational step where the antigen binding causes the B cell receptor, this one, engagement and cross-linking, triggering intracellular signaling cascades that lead to activation. So, when B cell receptors engage their specific antigen, that triggers activation. Proliferation and differentiation. Where does all of this happen? In the secondary lymphoid tissues. So correct answer is B.